Yes, good more earnings, everyone. I am Maylene Cruz, and yeah, you heard it right. There is a business in just buying this Itera Care device. So this is not just for improving your health, but it will serve as your capital investment to a seamless global business as well. So you ask me how? Ayan, type naman paano magkakaroon ng business diyan. Okay, sa pagbili lang ng Itera Care device, may business na. Yes, so, but before I talk about the business, I'd like to introduce first our company. Ang company po natin is, actually our headquarters natin is in KL, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, no? But marami pa po tayong branches sa Malaysia aside from our headquarters. And also, so kung meron kayo kakilala abroad, you can share this business to them via Messenger, Zoom, WhatsApp, Telegram, or FaceTime. So, yung products po natin will be delivered to them door to door within 3 to 5 days kahit nasaan po silang country. As long as they're in the same state or the same country, 3 to 5 days po yan, wherever in the world. Because if you can see, no, we have 23 country branches, 32 country stockists, and in the US we have already 28 stockists there within the span of 28 months. At tayo po, ang mga branches po natin ay nagkalat sa Europe, no? Nagkalat sa Africa, sa US, and even sa Asia, sa India, name it, no? Marami po nandun po ang ating presence. Australia, Canada, so even sa UAE, meron din po tayo sa Middle East. So isipin nyo na kung saan yung mga kakilala ninyo na pwede po ninyong share ng business na ito. And in terms of awards and recognitions, we were awarded already and been recognized since we've started. At makikita po natin at so makakakita po tayo ng mga Itera Care devices din po, no, sa Lazada, sa Shopee, and other online stores. And tayo po, we are proudly appointed as the global sole and exclusive distributor of Itera Care devices. So, yung makikita po ninyo sa mga online stores, ito po ay mga fake, okay? Mga fake po at mga imitation. So, because ang mga produkto po natin, the Itera Care devices and other products of Prive, are sold through registered distributors, no? These registered distributors will provide you with registration pins at saka 1-year warranty coverage po. Yung mga nabili po sa Shopee, sa online, sa Lazada, wala po yung warranty at wala rin pong ibibigay sa inyo yung registration pin. So for you to be able to know kung authentic ang nabili po ninyong product, dapat po yan, merong registration pin po yan. At saka dapat meron po kayong 1-year warranty na coverage. So mag-iingat po tayo sa mga fakes and imitations. Ito po ay being proliferated at a lower price. Remember po, we just have one price policy. Isa lang po ang presyo natin. Ano? Kahit kaninong distributors po kayo bumili, isa lang po ang presyo niyan. So, the distributors po cannot give you discounts. Ang maibibigay lang po natin are the existing promos, which is very generous naman po ang ating company when it comes to giving promos. Alright, so let's start na, no? So, tama po yun. Katulad ng narinig nyo kanina, kapag bumili ka ng isang classic, o kaya po isang iron shield, ito po yung sinusuot, ano, yung parang bling-bling na kwintas, yan. At meron din po tayong flask, ayan, at saka po yung premium plus na bago ngayon, yan po ay silver package. So you will get a registration pin worth 200 point value. Lahat po ng ating mga product ay meron po siyang point value na equivalent. So ang BioLite po, for example, nakabili kayo ng BioLite, yung inaapakan po, or yung premium, yan po ay 600 point value or what we call the gold package. Okay? And if you are able to buy the Pro, the Itera Care Pro po, yung heavy duty. Or kaya naman yung Bio na Pro din, ano? At saka yung Oxytap, yan po ay diamond package. Okay, so pag gusto nyo naman po, no, sabihin natin na, ay, hindi pa ako ready, gusto ko maraming classic. Okay lang po. If you buy 10 classics, pwede nyo rin yan i-register as diamond package. Okay? Pag yung 10 classics, meron po yung 10 registration pins, and pag ni-register nyo yan as one account, that will be a diamond package because that is equivalent to 2,000 point value. Alright? So, and kapag po tayo ay na-register, ayan, at pwede po tayong magkaroon ng income. Ito po yung, we have 8 ways to generate income in this business. So, for example, meron po sa atin nag-register at nag-purchase under your name or your group. You will earn from any of these 8 ways to earn. So, basically po, yung number 1 and number 2, the sponsorship and the redemption bonus, ikaw po yung personally na nagsisell nito. That's why ikaw ang direct sponsor. So you will get the sponsorship and redemption bonus for that. And then yung level pairing naman at group pairing, pag meron ka ng mga business partner, so ini-structure po natin ito, no? Because our compensation plan is using hybrid binary plan, okay? So ang number 5 naman po, up to number 8, ito naman po is kikitain mo ito kapag meron ka na pong grupo or meron ka ng leaders who are actively building the business with you. So, to discuss it one by one, okay, ang first po is yung direct sponsorship bonus. Ang direct sponsorship bonus is 10% taken from the point value per package. Remember po kanina sa entry packages, lahat po yan, meron pong point value. So, ang system po is basing the computation of our commission not on the price. Okay, it's on the point value because the price varies po, 'di ba, depending on the country. So kaya po nagiging seamless po ang ating global business and even our compensation plan is that because our system is computing based on the point value, not on the price. All right? So kaya po pare-pareho, uniform po ang computation yan. All right, so ang direct sponsorship is 10% ng package. Okay? So, for example po, ito po yung direct referral or direct sponsorship bonus. Ito po ay encashable. Okay? Encashable po siya. So, pag meron bumili sa inyo at nag-register under sa pangalan ninyo, ikaw ang ginawang sponsor, username mo ang inilagay, yan ang tawag po doon ay direct referral mo yung tao na yon. And because of that, you will get a 10% commission based on the registered point value. So for example, gold package ang niregister niya, bumili siya ng BioLite or kaya yung premium, yung dating premium, ano, yung color gray, you get $60 for that. Or kaya naman, kung yung friend mo or yung kasama mo sa community, or kamag-anak mo, ang binili niya naman sa'yo is yung Pro, no? Yung heavy duty, or kaya naman yung Bio Pro, or kaya naman basta diamond package. So 50% ng point value. So in the case of the Pro, ang diamond package po dyan is 2,000 point value. So you get $200 kasi 10% ng 2,000 point value. So, ito po ay encashable, okay? And remember po, we earn in US dollars, okay? US dollars po ang atin pong, ang basis po, ang atin pong encashable earning, okay? So, ayan po. And the redemption bonus naman, ito is yung other part. Yung kanina, first part yung ng direct referral commission natin, yung encashable. Ito naman, yung redemption bonus naman, ito naman ay from the word redemption, no? Ito po ay redeemable. Kaya ang tawag sa kanya redemption bonus. You'll get a product instead of the commission na pwede mong i-encash. So, 1 point value is equivalent to $1. So, ang pag silver package po, that's 35% ng kung ano yung package na binili. So, in the case of silver package, $70 yan kasi 200 times 35%. Ngayon naman po, kung gold package ang binila sa atin, um, that is 40% naman. 40% ng gold. So 40% ng 600 point value, kaya po yan $240. At kapag Pro ang binili po sa inyo, yung iTerra Care Pro ang binili, so that is 2,000 point value. So 50% naman ang binibigay ng company. Kaya meron po tayong $1,000 na redemption bonus. So, napakalaking tulong po ito, especially sa nag-uumpisa. No? Kung nag-uumpisa pa lang po tayo, napakalaking tulong nitong redemption bonus. Because number one, malaki po ang binibigay na percentage from 35% up to 50% depending kung ano yung package na binili po sa atin, di ba? Number one na malaking tulong is that dahil nakakaipon tayo ng mga, naka-accumulate natin itong mga redemption bonus na to na pwede nating i-redeem ng product, magkakaroon tayo ng inventory. Remember po that we are in a distribution business. And ang distribution po, dapat lagi tayo may dalang stock. Okay, madala po tayo dapat product. Whether we carry it with us or nasa kotse po natin or nasa bahay natin. Basta kapag ready na po bumili yung ating pong prospect, dapat meron po tayo agad available na product. And ito pong redemption bonus na to is napakalaking tulong with that. And number two, na very important when you are starting the business, at ito po sa redemption bonus, we get to try the different products ng Prive without shelling out our own money. No? Because if we keep on sharing, we keep on accumulating these redeemable points, no? So we are able to get to use yung mga products na yan. Like for example po kami, ang binili lang po namin ay Classic. Yun lang po yung naging capital investment namin sa negosyo. Yung ginamit ng husband ko para sa frozen shoulder niya. And then, because we keep on sharing the business, nag-start kami as retailer. We keep on sharing the products. That's why ang dami po naming naipon ng mga redemption bonus or na-accumulate ng mga points. And we were able to redeem. Yung una po naming na-redeem is yung premium, yung color gray. And then second po naming na-redeem is ito pong iTerra Pro. Ito, yung heavy duty na to. So, na-redeem lang namin yan. And then, meron kami na-redeem na mga yung flask, na-redeem lang din namin, And also, itong Ion Shield, na-redeem lang din namin. So, halos lahat ng products we were able to redeem, we were able to try because of this redemption bonus po na tinatawag. So, exciting! At ngayon, ang dami pong products na ino-offer ng Prive, even yung mga bangles o yung mga bracelet na ganyan, mga stickers or whatsoever, mga energy. Ang dami pong mga products. So, you will be able to get to try all those things po, all the products because of this redemption bonus. So, it's so exciting. Okay? And also, ang pangatlo naman po is yung every level pairing bonus. Ang every level pairing bonus naman, ito naman po ay kino-compute po ito na 40% of every first pair on all levels. So, lahat po ito, dahil po binary ang ginagamit natin for computation, kaya po when you say binary, dalawa lang po. Isa sa left, isa sa right. So, for every first pair per level, you will earn 40%. So, paano po ba yon? So, for example, 200 point value, yung first mo na register. Silver ang binili, yung iTerra Classic. So, ang system po natin, we have this what we call the auto placement. Pag first na direct sponsor mo or direct referral, automatic yan ilalagay niya sa left. Okay, wala kang choice. Ang system ang maglalagay ng PIN na yan dyan sa registration doon sa left side mo. So you are able to earn the direct sponsorship bonus na encashable at saka yung redemption bonus na redeemable. Pero kapag nakakuha ka ulit ng pangalawang benta mo at nag-register yan under you, so pwede mo siyang ilagay sa right side mo na. Okay? Pag yan, nakita ng system na may left na siya, tapos ngayon naglagay siya sa right, so nakakita siya ng first left at first right, so yan ang first pair mo on the first level. So kukumputin niya, pareha siyang silver, 200 point value, so it will compute the 40% of that, kaya po $80 ang nakita po natin dito. Alright? On the second level, let's say nagkaroon dyan ng diamond, may bumili ng pro, okay? At nilagay mo yan sa left side mo, so that is 2,000 point value. Pagkatapos naman, meron kang kasamahan sa community na bumili naman ulit siya ng classic. So that is 200 point value, right? At nilagay mo siya sa right side mo. Ngayon, pag nakita ng system, second level na. Meron na naman siyang nakita sa left at meron siyang nakita sa right. But this time, hindi pareho, no? 2,000 yung nasa left and then 200 yung nasa right. So paano ang computation? The system will use the lower point value, which in this case is 200. So 200 ang magiging basis ng 40%. Kaya $80 lang yan. Ngayon, on the third level, nagkataon naman na doon sa left side mo, ang nag-register is silver, no? Classic ulit ang binili. Tapos sa right side mo naman nagkaroon ng diamond. Hindi pa rin siya nag-pair siya kasi merong left at merong right, pero hindi na naman pareho. So, ano po ang magiging basis ng computation? The lower point value, that is 200 again. Kaya $80. So sabihin mo, sayang naman, ano? Dapat parehong diamond. But it's all right po if hindi nagkapareho, because don't worry, because lahat po ng mga distributors or nagre-register, ang goal po is maging diamond. Okay? So time will come, mag-upgrade po into diamond yung silver na yan. Because marami pong ang perks ang pagiging diamond, which you will know later, no? So kapag nag-upgrade po yan into diamond, so kahit na nabigay na po sa atin yung $80, for let's say for example, after a month or after a year or after 2 years, no, itong si silver ay nag-upgrade into diamond, you will still get the 40% of the diamond package. Kasi pareha na sila. Ang left diamond, ang right diamond, kaya 2,000 point value na ang computation. That's why $800 ibibigay yan sa'yo ulit. Bibigyan ka pa rin, okay, ng system. Mag-release pa rin siya ng commission na $800 kahit nabigyan ka na ng $80 dati pa. Okay? So, on the fourth level, ayan, nag-match na sila, no? Pareha na silang diamond, so walang hirap ang computation, kaya po $800. And so on and so forth. Ngayon, ang kagandahan po dito, pag every level pairing bonus, until infinity po yan. As long as nag-first pair yan, per level, meron po kayong 40%. Okay? Kahit po umabot yan sa isang araw, naka 100 pairs kayo na puro first level, that's all right. Ibibigay po yan lahat ng system. I-release po ang commission ninyo ng system. Okay? And so, eto naman po ang sunod. Okay, pairing pa rin siya, pero this time, this is what we call the group pairing bonus. Ang group pairing bonus naman po, it starts from the fourth level until infinity. Okay, fourth level po siya nag-start. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-earn ng group pairing bonus sa first, sa second, at sa third level. So wag po kayong magtataka kung bakit wala kayong income na group pairing bonus sa first, second, at third level. Kasi nag-i-start po ang group pairing bonus on the fourth level. So paano naman ang computation nito? Ang group pairing bonus po is computed based on the package mo as a distributor. So dito nagmamatter na kung ano yung package mo. Kung silver ba ang nakaregister mong package, kung gold ba or diamond. Kasi kung silver, lahat ng group pairing bonus mo for that day will be computed at 8%. Okay? Pero kung gold naman, 10% at pag diamond, 12%. Magkano yan? So, pag silver ka, ang package mo, at ang group pairing bonus is 8%, no? So, for example, 200 point value yung pumasok sa'yo ngayon, under sa network mo, no? Fourth level, pababa, may pumasok dyan na 200 point value. So, ang titingnan niya kung sa left side is may 200 points ba dyan. So, kung meron siya makitang 200 points sa left side, okay na, tapos na ang first level pairing doon, tapos na ang level pairing makompute. So, second pair na siya on that fourth level. Okay? So, 200 point value times 8%. Yun po ang computation yan. So, let's say for example, so $16 yon. Let's say for example, ang pumasok na points sa right side mo. Ang left side mo, napakarami ng points niyan, ano? Kasi yan ang tinatawag na kung may strong leg ka. So, may naka-ready na dyan na sabihin natin 10,000 points. Eh ngayon, merong pumasok dito sa right side mo na 2,000 points. So, dito po ang bilangan, hindi po yung pair na dapat 2,000, 2,000, hindi ganon. Unlike sa level pairing, dapat parehang 2,000. Dito po, kahit na 10,000 to, tapos ang pumasok dito is 2,000, kahit na hindi parehang diamond yan, it's all right. Ang bibilangin niya po, ang magiging basis ng computation is the 2,000 point value. And then, kukunin po yung 8% niyan kung ikaw ay silver package. So, 8% ng 2,000 point value, you will get $160. Okay? So, kung 2,000 naman at ikaw ay diamond package, so 12% ng 2,000 point value, that would be $240. So, malaki po ang difference niya, no? From 160 to 240, that's $80 with the same effort. I mean, 2,000 pa rin yung pumasok, no? So, kaya po, that is one reason kung bakit ka mag-upgrade into a diamond package para mas malaki ang group pairing bonus mo. Another reason for you to upgrade to a diamond package is that meron po tayong tinatawag na daily maximum payout. Okay? So, ang max out po natin for a day sa silver package is $300. Okay? Ang $300 at ang diamond package is $3,750. Ang laki, no? So, let's compute in peso. Total, mga Pinoy naman tayo nag-uusap-usap. So, $300 times, sabihin na lang natin 50 pesos para madaling computation, ano? So, that's only like 15,000. Or kung 55 pesos, that's 16,500 per day, no? Compared sa diamond package na 3,750 times 55 pesos, that's 200,000 plus. Okay? A day. So, computing natin, 200,000 per day times 30 days na lang because 30 days in a month. So, that is 6 million pesos per month. Potential income po for group pairing bonus. So, totoo po na merong kumikita ng 6 million pesos per month po dito for the group pairing bonus alone. Hindi pa kasama yung direct sponsorship, yung level pairing, hindi pa kasama yon. Group pairing bonus, the potential is 6 million pesos. So, yun po yung malaking difference po no, ano, kung silver ka at kung diamond ka. Okay, kaya talaga pong halos lahat ng distributor gustong mag-upgrade, especially if they are seeing na meron na po silang at least 2 leaders who are committed to do the business. And most of our time as a leaders, we are focusing to helping them develop their own 2 leaders and so on and so forth. Kaya po, kapag kayo po ay gumagawa na ng business, ang makikita ninyong earning ninyo is not more of the $80. It's more of the $16. No, $16 na badami. So makikita nyo na doon, $160, $240. Depende na kung gaano kadami yung nagpapasok per day. We consider this po as the passive income. Kasi yung mga leaders po natin na merong leaders abroad, na merong different time zones, nag-i-encode po sila while we are asleep. So kaya po, yan po yung passive income, di ba? Yung habang natutulog ka, kumikita ka. Okay, so ganun po yon. Yun po yung ating group pairing bonus. And isa pa po sa magandang feature ng group pairing bonus, aside from the safety net na fourth level until infinity po ang computation niya, is the strong leg retention. If yung other compensation plan po from other company nagpa-flash out, kumbaga, for example, today, nakita ng system na max out, no? Yung for example, yung $3,750 na reach out niya na that day. So ang mangyayari po noon sa other company, magpa-flash out na itong strong leg na to, mawawala yan. Kinabukasan, zero na po ang strong leg dahil na-partneran na siya ng nasa right side or yung paying leg. But dito po sa ating company, yung strong leg na to, let's say for example, meron tong worth 1 million. Okay, worth $1 million. Tapos ang na-partneran mo lang today is yung 3,750. So yun lang po ang mababawas doon sa strong leg mo, yung 3,750. The following day when you wake up, kung ano yung balanse ng 1 million minus 3,750, yun pa rin yung makikita mo sa system until mapartneran niya ulit that day, so on and so forth hanggang maubos yung 1 million. Ganun po yun siya. So, hindi po nasasayang ang effort natin dito to help one another, to help our leaders grow their business because they are our strong leg. And papartneran lang po natin sila anytime. Okay, so yan po ang group pairing bonus. And of course, yung leadership bonus naman po, ito po ay kinikita natin kapag meron na po tayong mga leaders na na-develop under us. So, usually po, ang silver, 4 levels yan, ang gold 5 levels, at ang diamond 6 levels. So, nag-start po yan from 10% and then 5% up to the 4th level or 5% up to the 6th level. Ang kumikita po ng leadership bonus, ito po ay kikitain natin kapag tayo po ay nakadevelop na ng leader under us. This is also a very powerful feature ng ating compensation plan because those people who have ranked up already, no, yung matataas na po ang posisyon, napakalaki po ng kinikita na leadership bonus because they were able to develop leaders under them. And they are earning from 10%, 5%, 5%, 5%. Ang maganda po dito sa leadership bonus, you can earn even with one line alone, no? Kung ang na-develop mo lang ay isang line at naging strong po yan, nakapag-develop yan ng leaders under them, kahit po hindi nyo yan napapartneran sa right side, it's all right, no? You will still earn that leadership bonus. Okay? And we also have this uni-level bonus. Ang uni-level bonus naman, this is the maintenance. Bonus po ito na nanggagaling sa ating monthly personal maintenance. And every distributor has to activate or to maintain their account, no? For them to be able to earn from the commission starting from the group pairing bonus up to the 8th ways to earn, okay? Ang maintenance naman po natin, napakaliit lang. It's only $30. If you compute that at 55 pesos, that would be 1,650 lang po per month. At ang maganda po dito, itong $30 na po ito, hindi po ito napupunta sa company. Napupunta po ito sa redemption points po natin or yung pwede po na-accumulate nating points. Nata-transfer lang po siya doon, okay? So, pwede po natin i-accumulate ito at in turn para siyang for savings. Okay? At ang maganda po dito, kapag na-encourage natin ang ating mga leaders to maintain also, no, $30 po, kahit 2 leaders lang na ma-encourage natin na lagi pong magme-maintain monthly, okay, meron po itong passive income or possible income po after a year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, no, na makumpleto mo ito, it's a whooping, ayoko nang sabihin, ano, but this is an unbelievable, especially kung makapag-create ka ng perfect structure. But of course, nothing is perfect in this world. So, ito pong sinasabi na $1.3 million kung makapag-create ka ng perfect structure up to the 20th level na nagme-maintain lang dalawa, no? Kahit 1% lang po niya, napakagandang passive income na po yan. Kahit na sabihin mong after 5 years pa ito mangyari sa atin na magkaroon tayo ng ganito kalaking network, napakagandang passive income. Ang tawag ko nga dito, pwede ng retirement fund, ano, para dun sa mga 50s and above, no? Kahit after 5 years pa or 10 years pa mangyari sa atin to, by that time, 60 years old na tayo, no? Maganda pa rin na passive income or retirement fund natin. Anyway, so meron din po tayong tinatawag na rank up bonus. Kung ang rank up bonus po, nag-i-start po yan sa 1-star manager. 1-star manager, you will get $300 na registration wallet bonus. 2-star, 3-star, up to the Crown Ambassador. You will get a one-time bonus from $300 up to $16,000 na register wallet if you reach the Crown Ambassador. At ang maganda po niyan, we also have this what we call the profit sharing bonus. Ang profit sharing bonus po is a 2.1% total bonus from the gross global sales. So magkakaroon po tayo ng profit. Meron tayong share from the global sales in gross, no? Kapag tayo ay naging Sapphire Director and above. Okay, so yan po ang isa sa mga target natin. And of course, ang tanong, no? Paano po tayo magkakaroon ng return on investment and our initial cost of purchase? Let's say we considered na yung binili natin for our health, ano, because of our health concern, bumili tayo ng iTera Care device. Sabihin na natin na dahil pumasok tayo sa business, kinonsider na natin siya as a capital investment. So sabihin natin bumili tayo ng Classic. Okay, so paano mo mababawi yan, ano, yung return on yung investment mo diyan? So you just get 4 people, okay, na magre-register under you na ikaw ang direct sponsor. Of course, you will be able to get the direct sponsorship bonus for that. Yung encashable na $20 at redeemable na $70 each. Okay for that. At di ba meron tayong tinatawag na level pairing bonus? So kung makakita ang system ng isa sa left, isa sa right, on the first level, then you will get the what we call the level pairing bonus na $80. Eh ngayon, dahil nakaapat ka, in-structure mo yan na parehong sa left at sa right, so you will get another level pairing bonus on the second level, on that first pair, on that second level. That's why sa 4 na tao na nag-register under your name, na ikaw ang direct sponsor, you will earn a total of 10,560 in pesos na encashable at product points na total of $328. Okay, so ngayon, for you to be able to redeem one Classic for that, kailangan mo ng $350. Okay, so sa 4 po na yan, you will be able to get one Classic. And of course, makaka-redeem ka ng one Classic at saka meron ka pang cash bonus. Okay, ayan po, 10,560. Okay, so yan po, pwede po nating mabawi pag nakakuha po tayo ng 4 na direct sponsor natin or direct referral natin. Okay, so ang atin pong goal dito is for us to be able to share one iTera Care household device, no? So we can change one person's life, okay, every day. At least meron po tayong ma-change na one life every day. At kami po ay isa sa mga taong na-change po ang buhay. Kung ako po dati ay nag-start lang as a user. User po kami dahil ang husband ko po has a frozen shoulder problem, no? So, kaya po kami bumili ng product. So, naging user kami, nakatulong yun sa gout niya. Sa akin naman, nakatulong doon sa back pain ko dahil meron po akong scoliosis. And it helped as my natural pain reliever. At also sa kakagamit ko, kaka-blower ko, pati yung insomnia ko na since college pa, problem ko, nawala din ang insomnia ko. And of course, dahil ito pong device na to is a household device, so buong household po namin ay nakagamit. 4 po ang aming anak. So from allergic rhinitis to severe eczema to colds, flu, etc. Ano, at yung mga inflammation or whatsoever. Nag-work po ito sa amin, ginagamit namin to as our first aid in the house. Okay? And as we use the product, syempre kung naka-experience ka ng kung kagandahan, ano, I mean, nag-improve ang aming health nung gumaling sa frozen shoulder yung husband ko, nakaisip kami ng mga taong meron ding frozen shoulder, ng mga kaibigan namin, kakilala namin, and that's why we've shared the product. Kaya po we started as a retailer, no? Nagbenta-benta kami ng product kasi I mean nagtatanong sila saan mo nabili yung nakatulong sa frozen shoulder mo. So ang sagot namin sa amin. That's why they bought from us, we got commission. So we acted as a retailer and then we earned commission. And maganda pala yung commission, ano? So nag-start po ako ng ganun and nakakatulong na ako makabili ng mga groceries. Sabi ko sa husband ko, so sige ako na yung bibili ng groceries. And then later on naman, as lumalaki na po siya, no? Pati tuition fee ng anak ko, kami na 4 po yan, so ako na rin ang sumasagot. Hanggang later on, pati nagbebiyahe na rin kami abroad ng family, so ako rin yung may sagot. And then later on, nakabili na rin kami ng sasakyan. So nakita ng husband ko na wow, the business is doing good. So yung kanya pong organizational development consultancy, iniwan niya na. So this year, nag-decide kami that we are going to do this business full-time together. That's why ngayon, bumabiyahe na rin po kami together. So ang talaga pong na-enjoy namin dito is yung mga free trip incentives ng company. And napakaganda po because if you are husband and wife, you can travel and do the business wherever you go. Okay, so ang ating pong encouragement ko lang po sa inyo, ngayon po, meron na naman tayong China incentive trip na coming, ano? So may promo po tayo dyan. So we are excited. I just hope na lahat po ng nakikinig ngayon, we will see you sa atin pong China incentive trip. So let's impact the world by sharing one iTera Care device per household so that we can change life of other people as well. So that would be all. That ends our presentation. Have a great day. God bless you. Bye-bye.